Now I'm going to demonstrate how to load the Analysis ToolPak on Excel. We need the Analysis ToolPak specifically for running ANOVA in Chapter 11, but we can also use it for other statistical analyses throughout the class. First up, if you're in Excel and you want to know if Excel already has the Analysis ToolPak installed, go to the Data tab. All the way over here on the right side, you would see Data Analysis. Since I don't have it, I don't have it installed. So let's install it. We'll click on File, go all the way down to Options. We get the Excel Options window. We want to go to Add-ins. Under Add-ins, we see this list of inactive application add-ons. We're going to select this first one, Analysis ToolPak. Click OK. And I don't see that worked for me, so I'm going to go back to Add-ins. Oh, I remember, that's what I have to do. So we're in the Excel Options window. We click on Analysis ToolPak, Manage Excel Add-ins, select Go. So it gives us a list of add-ins available. Select that first one. Click OK. And now in my data ribbon, you saw data analysis pop up. We will use this option specifically for single factor ANOVA. But there are a lot of other options that we do in this class that we could use the Analysis ToolPak for. Correlation, descriptive statistics, a histogram, but Excel's histogram is not what we call a histogram. Excel's histogram is actually the frequency distribution. Remember, histograms for us are those bar charts that are related to the frequency distribution. So the histogram that's in the data analysis is actually the frequency distribution chart. There's a random number generator, rank and percentile are here, regression, sampling if we wanted to do some sampling of data. And then we have several different tests, t-tests, a paired two-sample means, z-test two-sample for means. So these would be from Chapter 9, hypothesis testing with two populations. So for us, primarily we'll use data analysis for that single factor ANOVA. And that's it. I'll show you in another lesson how we would actually apply the Data Analysis ToolPak to specific types of statistical analyses that we will be doing.